नमस्कार। आज हम लोग वीबीए के लॉजिकल ऑपरेटर को लेकर के चर्चा कर रहे हैं। दैट लॉजिकल ऑपरेटर क्या है, कैसे इसके ऊपर हम ध्यान से देखेंगे, काम कैसे करेंगे। ठीक है, तो वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट with and operator. One of the logic operator, that is and. What is the use of and? Okay, just see this. Here is my VBA editor, that is VBE. This is termed as VBE, Visual Basic Editor. By, and I have activated this with Alt F11. Now I am going to start with subject and operator. And operator. Yeah, this is and operator. Now what is and operator actually? Here I am inserting comment. This is and is a logical operator. What does it do? Okay, this will change, like here, debug dot print. Here I'm writing here, the condition actually. Okay, that is 10 is greater than 5 and and 5 greater than 2. This will comes, actually both the conditions are true. This is true condition. Okay, and if I execute here in immediate window, we will get true. Okay, now the second condition along with paste. Here I will be writing here 2 is greater than 5. Means at the right side condition I am changing it, which is actually false, because 2 is not greater than 5. The answer should be false. Now, okay, the first one is for, this is now true or false, because the first condition is true and the second condition is false. Once again, I have erased. Now I paste. Now what I will do here, 5 is less than 10 is less than 5, means at left side condition, means first condition uh, is false and the right condition is true. We will get false. Okay, now the first condition is will be true, second false, and the third false, because if any of I just saying you, if any of the condition, okay, is false when we use AND operator, that time it is wrong, means getting false. Now the last 10 is, sorry, 10 is less than and 5 is less than. What should we get? Both the conditions are false. It means this should be false. Okay, because both the conditions are false. Means when we use AND operator, okay, both the conditions should be true. Otherwise, it is termed false. This is the use of AND. Now copy this and I'm pasting it here. Here, instead of AND, I'm using OR. OR is also a logical operator. Okay. Here, instead of AND, I write here OR, OR, OR. Here, what will happen here? First three condition true, because if both the conditions are true and we are using OR operator, then we will get true result. If any of whether left or right is true, then we will get true. Or if both the conditions are false, then we will get false. Here I will be changing this. Here or operator. Now, first three conditions are true and the last one is false. This is or operator. Now I am pasting it. Okay. Here I am just removing. Now that is XOR, XOR, sorry, XOR. What is XOR? What is? Means right condition is true, but it is not true. Okay. Uh, uh, the same, it is not true. This is false, right condition, but it is getting true. Okay. Or any. I will be checking here. I am removing this condition. See this, because I am not using much too much time. Yeah, first one condition is false because nor okay condition is true. One of the condition is false. It will get true. The second is true, and the last is false because both the conditions are false. Okay, because it will convert one into false. What does it do? Tell me. I'm not going to tell you because this is XOR or NOR, whatever you may say. Now, the last condition, that is not. Here, that is not actually not operator, not operator. Now click on OK. I'm changing it, not operator. Actually, it converts the true condition into false and false condition into true. Okay, 10 is greater than 5, this is true, but it convert false. Okay, and when I write here 2 less than 2 greater than 5, this is false. It is not false. That's why it is getting true. These are, now tell me how Zor is behaving in this example. This is your task or this is your challenge. Okay, I'm not going to tell you. You will have to tell. Think about this, how it is behaving, whether considering the left side or right side, how, what. ठीक है, ओके। तो ये आप लोग बनाएं और बताएं मुझे कि आखिरकार ये कैसे काम करता है। तो इसके ऊपर आज का वीडियो यहीं पर समाप्त होता है। धन्यवाद।